Okay, we're in the Millennium Garage now. It's like 1 in the morning, and I can't sleep, so I'm filming. Oh my god, it's this one. It's got Sonic. What the fuck is that for? I don't know. It smells like pee and weed. Oh, well, luckily, the fucking smell of hydro fluid covers up all of that when you get in the... Oh my god. God damn it. Oh, Sonic was inside the elevator too. Oh my god. Well, the indicator doesn't work, so who knows what floor we're on. Balls. What the fuck? Oh, we're here. Okay. Well, let's get back in this elevator, if we dare. Oh my. Oh, the lantern works. That's surprising. Oh, someone tried to draw Chica. I think they forgot what Chica looks like. And Freddy Fazbear's nose looks more like a pair of hairy testicles, but I don't know, that's just me. I'm not an artist. Who am I to critique? Here's the modernization certificate. Doesn't look like it's being very modernized to me, but yeah. What the fuck? So 1 is above 2, but 3 is still the top. Alright, I'm not gonna question it. Let's not look at the indicator, because what the fuck is there to see on that? Oh my. So the fan does the lovely task of blowing all this disgusting dust all over the cab. That's a very important thing that needs to be done. Also notice the shit stain on the door. And a selection of snacks on the floor. Here we have some popcorn, a classic Chicago snack, as well as hot Cheetos, a snack, and a Twix right there. And the door closed. I didn't have time to open. I guess it's not the rear door. Oh my. Alright, let's get out while we still can. Oh, juice. Anyway, that was that.